boy, are you going to get a surprise.
Welcome to Grizz and Panda Nature Show. My name's Chris, I'm your host. Right now I spotted a grizzly in the woods. I can't tell what he's doing. Oh, there's a flash, looks like he's taking pictures. Here comes the grizzly. Now, grizzlies are known to attack. If he attacks, play dead. I have to be very quiet, that's why I'm whispering. Oh man, I'm nervous. Oh, has he spotted me? Up, ah! Okay, so I escaped that attack. Right now the bear's in the facilities, doing bear things. Usually they use these facilities to defecate, to relieve themselves. Be quiet. I hear some noise. Again, the bear has been known to attack without warning. I hear rustling. Sounds like the bear is about to run. Let's see. Try to find a safe haven to hide. Coverage here is thin. Okay, I'm currently following the grizzly. He's walking back out of the woods, back into civilization. Here he comes. Note how the grizzly likes to take pictures. That appears to be the grizzly's mode of transportation. This grizzly doesn't seem to use natural walking like many of the bears I've followed. Let's watch him. I'm keeping my distance to be safe from him. Who knows if he's going to attack me? Oh, I've been spotted. Play dead. Shh. Who knows if the grizzly will attack? Okay, it's safe. It's turned around. I guess I can keep on walking. Let's go. As he keeps on going. Let's see. Here we come with the grizzly. Note how the grizzly packs alone. He's a very antisocial. Oh, he spot me. Okay, I think it's safe. As I was saying before, the grizzly is a very antisocial animal. If you notice, plenty of cars in the rest of the lot, but the grizzly chooses to pack alone. Why? And that, my friend, will have to wait for another day.